I was built with intention, crafted to hold more than just walls and windows, but to hold space to make memories for the families I have loved. Every family who's called me home has cared deeply for me, but my most recent one, they truly transformed me. They gave me new life, wrapped me in warm travertine, and created spaces where the sun lingers just a little longer. I've hosted celebrations that filled every corner, moments that felt too good to leave. But my favorite moments, they are the quiet ones. When the world slowed down and it was just home. I am more than just walls, more than just rooms. I am the backdrop to a life well lived. And now, it's time for something new. For new footsteps, new laughter, new moments to remember. I've held a lot of life here, and I won't forget any of it. But I know there's more waiting for me, and I'm ready. I'm so excited for my new family and the new memories we will create together. I can't wait to meet you.